Now we will write a program to see how many times an element n occurs in an array. So we're going to solve this as a function. This function returns how many times the element occurs, and it takes the array that we want to search in. It is an integer array. It takes the size of the array, and it also takes the element that we are searching for. We will write the code in a little bit. So in the main, we have this array. This is the array that we are going to search. We hard-coded the values, so we entered the values. You can make the user enter the values, it doesn't matter. What's important in this question is the logic in this function. And also, I didn't let the user enter the n that we want to search for. So instead, I'm printing 1 occurs %d times. This %d will be the result of this function. I'm giving it this array, and I'm giving it the size of the array, and also the element that I want to search for. You can take this from the user and pass it as an argument over here. I'm also searching for 3 and searching for 4. And let me remove this code over here. Okay, now let's write our function. So first of all, we need a variable to keep track of the number of occurrences. So let's call it count, and we have to initialize it to 0. Now we will iterate over the elements of the array. So int I equals 0, I is less than n, which is the size of the array, and we will increment I. So in this for loop, we will see if the element that we are at is equal to the search element that we got from the parameter. We want to increment count, so count plus plus. Perfect. And when we exit the loop, we will have our count inside this variable, and all we have to do is to return it. So return count, just like this. So now let's build and run this program. So 1 occurs 2 times. Let's see, this is the first time and this is the second time. This is correct. 3 occurs 1 time. So this is the first time, and yeah, it occurs only 1 time. Now let's see 4. 4 occurs 2 times, and we have this is the first time and this is the second time. So our program is working. And it is so easy to take a value from the user and pass it as an argument over here. I'll leave that for you in order to try. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.